Hi guys and welcome back to Yes, today I'm gonna teach you how to use a condenser microphone or maybe a dynamic microphone while singing on Smule, or if ever you wanted to do a podcast or anything that involves using an external microphone while you're trying to film on your Android or an Apple phone. I did a video like this 3 years ago, but while rewatching that video, I felt like there's a lot of things that I need to improve on that video. That's why we are here now. Some of the reasons why people love using an external microphone is because it makes us sound a lot crispier. The audio is just a lot better, especially the voice, and also it makes us look cooler. One of my best recommendations for you if you are going to this route is by getting a complete set, and you can always find that in Amazon if you are in America or in Canada. But if Amazon is not available for you, you can always go to Shopee, Lazada, or Alibaba. I think most especially in Asia because Amazon is not available there. So there's always like a lot of ways on how you can get a complete set online. This is a complete package where it comes with a condenser microphone, a stand, pop filters, XLR cables, and a power supply. This can actually save you a lot of money since buying these accessories separately is actually kind of expensive. So if you buy a complete set, let's say for example in Amazon, you can get something like this. This is actually the one that I got like 2-3 years ago, and it already comes with all of the things that I just mentioned earlier. And it's only $45. Because let's say you want to buy a power supply separately, that's gonna be like around $20. So just get a full package. I'm gonna be putting the link down in the description below if you wanted to get this one, and I'm also gonna be putting some options in case that you don't like the newer 700. The other thing that you will need is gonna be a jack splitter. In my case, I do have the 3.5 millimeter jack because I do have a phone that still supports it. But if your device doesn't have any audio jack anymore, you can always get a USB Type C millimeter jack splitter. This is the 3.5 millimeter jack splitter that I can recommend to you. This has never failed me at all, and this is actually kind of cheap if you want to get it in Amazon. Just in case that you have a USB Type C device, you can always get this one. I just got this a few days ago just because I wanted to recreate this video and give you guys more information on how to use a condenser microphone. I already have this tested, but I'm gonna show you how I tested it on the Apple device that does not have an audio jack, an audio input. Also, there's a guy here on YouTube that talks about an iRig. But I think that is actually kind of expensive if you just wanted to have a good time, especially when singing. But you can always check his channel on how he used the iRig. I'm gonna be putting the link on the description below if you want to check his channel. Okay? Alright, so let me go ahead and show you how to set this up. So this is how it sounds like when you have a condenser microphone or a dynamic microphone or any external microphone that is connected to your Android phone if you want to sing on Smule or if you wanted to do podcasts. So let me just go ahead and remove the reverb and whatnot so that it doesn't have any echo. So this is how I sound like without any echo. Oh, by the way, if in any case you cannot hear yourself, you can always press this button right here in the bottom that says voice feedback, because there are people who's like cannot hear themselves because this one is turned all the way down. So you just need to turn it all the way up, hold on, like that, so that you can hear yourself while you're singing. Again, I made a video of is it important to use a microphone or condenser microphone or an external microphone while singing on Smule, but it's really up to you. You can watch it like in the description below or in the link that's gonna show up here. So now this is the Type-C jack splitter. Let's see if this will work. So this is my iPad, and this is the one that has the USB Type-C cable or connector, because this one doesn't have any 3.5 jack anymore. So let's see if this will work. So right now I'm gonna be recording whatever is on my iPad. Let's see that. Can you hear me? I hope you guys can hear me. I think you can, because I can definitely hear myself. You can't hear me. You can hear me now. Here now. Here now. Right. So yeah. So I got a few questions about the power supply and if it's really needed if you're gonna use a condenser microphone, and the answer is yes. The condenser microphone actually has like electric components inside it, and that is the reason why it needed an external power source. So that's why we always needed to have a power supply if you wanted to use a condenser mic. I read somewhere that dynamic microphones doesn't have those types of components, so I think you can just directly use that without any power source. The other question is about the Focusrite interface. So this is like the type of interface that I'm using right now that is connected on my PC. I tried so many ways on how I can use this device and connect it to my phone directly, but I don't think that is possible. I can't find any ways. There's a guy here in YouTube that tried to connect his Samsung Ultra and connect it directly to the Focusrite and use a condenser microphone. But the thing is, the Focusrite and the condenser microphone both need electricity. And if I connect my phone directly to that, I feel like it's just gonna drain my phone really fast. So I am not gonna go that route. But I will try that in the future and I will let you know what happened. So there's another way on how you can use a condenser microphone while singing on Smule, and it's by using this thing called Sound Card V8 or Sound V8 card. I don't know. It actually became really popular in the Philippines. I've seen a lot of my friends use that device, especially when they're live streaming, because it does have like buttons where it can create artificial claps or laughs. So it's actually kind of fun, but I haven't tried that yet. Probably gonna try it in the future. I'm not really still quite sure if I want to. But yeah, are you currently using that power supply or that interface? Please let me know in the comments if it is a good thing or not. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this is a better version than the one that I uploaded 2-3 years ago. And also, I will do my best to put contents like this in the future where I just put how-tos, reviews, and of course my blogs. And if you want to see more in the future, please gently press that subscribe button and lightly press the like button. And thank you so much. So once again, this is Jackie, and you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!